Shivani, this is 1. This is 110. This is 100. This is 1000. Okay. This is 1. This is
1 tens,
this is
100, 1000.
right. Can you give me 1, please? Can you give me 10? Where is 1? Place 1 on the mat. Place 10 on the mat. Where is 100? Can you count how many tens are there?
1, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens.
Can you place 100 here and 10 here? Where is 1000? Where is 1000? जब where है just show. Okay. Okay. Can you place 1000 here? Give me 100. Give me 1 ones. Where is 100? Where is 1? Can you place 1 on the mat? Give me 110. Can you place 100 on the mat? Where is 1000? Where is 110? Can you place 110 on the mat? Give me 1000. Can you place 1000 on the mat? Where is 1? How many ones in the tens? Can you count?
1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones and 10 ones.
10 ones. So can you place 10 here? Can you place 1 here? What is this?
1,
What is this?
1 tens,
What is this?
100
And what is this?
1000.